So now you have your form ready to go and you need to get it on your website. So that comes from this awesome little piece right here called Embed. When you click on that, you're going to see you have a bunch of options. So if you have a WordPress site, the easiest way to do this is to install the plugin, and you can just copy this short code by pushing this little red button, and then you can put it right on your page. However, if you don't want to have one more plugin on your WordPress site, or you don't have WordPress, you can always choose this HTML option. And it works the same way. It looks like a bunch of gibberish. This is just HTML code that's going to tell your website, hey, the form looks like this. It needs to have all these things. So all you do is hit this red button right here, and you'll see it's highlighted now. Now, if for some reason it doesn't copy, not a big deal. You can just hit Command-C or Control-C on your keyboard, and it will copy it. So once you have that copied, I'm just going to copy it one more time. You're going to go over to your website. Now, I have a specific this is a client of mine, and I have a specific template set up for her, but I just want to show you how you can put it on your website. So every website will have some place you can put code. So in WordPress, in the system I have built, there's actually a module here called code. We're going to select that, and then we're going to hit Command V as in Victor, or Control V if you have a PC. And when you do that, you're gonna see that it has your freebie here. Now, sometimes it takes a little while for this to load, so the kitty cat's not showing up there, but that's okay. We're gonna hit Publish, and then we're gonna see if it shows up. And if it doesn't, then we'll go over to our form and we'll edit it. But it's as simple as that. So there you go, here's our kitty cat. And if we didn't want this on here, all we would have to do is go pick a different form type, and you can change it once you've started creating it. So let's look at that really quick, because you're like, oh, I don't know. So right here where we have change template, we may want to change to something that doesn't have a photo. So like if we wanted to choose maybe this one right here, or just this one right here, this one obviously has a little bit more option for us to put some information in there, and it actually just put the kitty cat behind it. But you could also just delete it by clicking on this. So once you do that, now the other thing we didn't change was this button color, and I just missed it. So I'm just going to change this to download now, and then I'm going to change our color to match the rest of our branding. So that's that. Once we hit save, if we go back to embed and we grab that copy again, and sometimes you won't even have to copy this again, but just in case, we're going to go back to our page and we're going to edit this. I have to go back into the editor. And all we have to do is, we don't have to set up that code module again. We just have to go in here and we're going to select all of this, Command A, delete it, so we don't have any extraneous code. And once we paste that in there, here's our form. And that actually looks a little bit nicer. And so once we save that and we exit out of this page, we will see that our form is there. And so that's as simple as it is to add a form to your website. So let's go over and move on to the next piece of this puzzle.